creating effective and concise short notes can be a valuable study tool. Here are some tips for creating short notes. Identify key information. Before creating your short notes, identify the key points, concepts, and important details from your study material. Focus on capturing the most essential information that you need to remember. Use headings and subheadings. Organize your short notes using headings and subheadings. This helps create a logical structure and makes it easier to locate specific information when reviewing your notes. Be concise. Keep your notes concise by using bullet points, abbreviations, symbols, and keywords. Avoid lengthy sentences and unnecessary details. Use your own words to summarize the information whenever possible. Use formatting techniques. Utilize formatting techniques like bolding, underlining, highlighting, or using different colors to emphasize important points. This visual hierarchy helps draw attention to key information and makes it easier to review your notes quickly. Use diagrams and visuals. Visual aids can be effective for capturing complex information and improving memory retention. Use diagrams, flowcharts, graphs, or tables to represent relationships, processes, or comparisons. Visual elements can make your notes more engaging and help you understand concepts better. Make connections. When taking short notes, try to make connections between different topics or concepts. Relating new information to what you already know can aid comprehension and memory recall. Use arrows, symbols, or annotations to indicate relationships or connections between ideas. Be organized and consistent. Maintain a consistent format and organization throughout your short notes. This helps create a sense of structure and makes it easier to locate information later. Develop a system that works for you and stick to it. Review and revise regularly. Regularly review and revise your short notes to reinforce your learning. This helps in consolidating the information in your memory and identifying any gaps or areas that need further clarification. Personalize your notes. Make your short notes personalized by adding examples, personal anecdotes, or mnemonics that help you remember information more effectively. Injecting a bit of creativity and personalization into your notes can make them more memorable and engaging. Practice active recall. Instead of just reading your short notes, actively engage with them by testing yourself. Cover up sections and try to recall the information from memory. This practice enhances memory retention and helps identify areas that need more attention. Remember, the goal of short notes is to capture the key points and concepts concisely. Find a balance between brevity and comprehensiveness to create notes that are easy to review and understand.